We're on the east side of Detroit. Thank you for taking the time to check out my YouTube video. We're going to go down Heidelberg Street. It's a pretty popular street in Detroit. We'll actually go down a couple streets in the neighborhood. But this is Heidelberg right here on the right, where the polka dots are. A lot of interesting artwork on this street. Not going to be too long of a video, but it could be, depending on how slow I go. But yeah, we'll go check all this out. And yeah, you'll see some cool stuff. They just, believe it or not, this has been here for years, but this right here, this is all kind of new. But what you're gonna see up here has been here for years. So yeah, if you wanna see this cool artwork on the east side of Detroit, just follow me on this drive. Go kind of slow, it's cold out. Nobody behind me. Yes, he says right over there, welcome to Heidelberg Street, Detroit, Michigan. Enjoy your stay. I'm probably gonna make that my thumbnail. But anyways, we'll get going. Yeah, obviously in the summertime when it's warm, you know there's more people out here. This is actually, I think on TripAdvisor, this is like one of the most popular places to visit up here. You know, but you can see like the artwork. You'll see a lot more up here. He's got these signs right here up. But I'll put in a link in the description section more about this street. That way, if you're in the area, you can come check it out. And yeah, this is up here. But we'll go down a couple of these streets. This is the main road up here. Hoping I won't get stuck down here. This isn't that bad of a street, like as far as with crime and stuff. But yeah, I'll go kind of slow. If you want any info about this place, like I said, the link is going to be in the description section. This is kind of cool, huh? Somewhere like not too far from downtown on the east side. I actually was planning on doing a different YouTube video. Decided to do another one right here. Some of these houses have been gone over the years. There's a little place on the blue, underneath the blue thing on the left, to donate if you're here. I know the guy's been working on it for years, on and off. There used to be a couple more houses. They've since gone. I know across the street and on the left here, there used to be a house. Mount Elliott in Heidelberg, this is. We'll make two rights, a right here. I'm not 100% sure if he's got anything going on over here on this street, but I know there's a little bit more to see. We're gonna make a left right here. It says sold right there. Yeah, it looks like there's just a regular street right here, but you see this is what it's like on the east side off of Mount Elliott. Hope I don't get stuck. Yeah, it's not too, I wouldn't worry about getting stuck during the day, but in the middle of the night, you know, it's a different story out here, in my opinion. Ellery Street, we'll make a left, a right, I'm sorry. It's not gonna be too long of a video, but I just wanted to show everybody Heidelberg Street. I don't think I've ever seen it in the wintertime. I know I pass here all the time, just doing regular YouTube videos. This is Heidelberg on the right, but we'll go down one street, Elba. Go ahead and check it out. Maybe I'll do another drive-through down Heidelberg. Yeah, you guys are gonna see a little bit here. Maybe I'll go back on the other way on Heidelberg. Looks like they plowed this pretty good. They got a park right there on the left. Yeah, I've seen quite a few people out here, during the summertime. And you get, you know, a lot of people, even on bikes, you know, they bike around the city. They make this one of their stops. Especially if a group of bikers got a couple people with them, maybe from out of town. Mount Elliott. Yeah, we'll go down Heidelberg one more time. You guys will see it from the other direction. And we'll take it this street all the way to Gratiot, I believe. Make it about a 10-minute video. See, it says Heidelberg Project right there. Thank you for all the support on all of my other YouTube videos. Yep, this is what it looks like. It's 6 degrees out. In the middle of the summer, though, you'd see, I believe his name is Tyree. You'd see him out here. It's like a never-ending project, but you know, it's something interesting for the city. I think I want to say it's been around since the 80s. But yeah, just click on the link in the description section. Yellow tubing. Got a lot of broken water mains because of the cold. Yeah, let's so what it's like on the east side. That yellow building way up there is Gratiot. Yeah, you're not too far from downtown. 10 minutes maybe, 10, 12 minutes. We're gonna stop here. This is Elmwood Street. I believe there's a bar, Elmwood Bar or something like that. On Elmwood. Sounds like a familiar street. Anyways, we'll get going. This is gonna be the last of it up here. Angle the camera. Thank you for visiting Heidelberg Street. Safe travels. All right, that's it, guys. Hopefully this gets a lot of likes because this is a very unique street in Detroit. I want to get the word out, you know. Get that way people, you know, can come out here and check it out. Definitely support all the artwork out here. Yeah, where you see all those streets. The Gratiot, McDougal. We're gonna make a right. And that's it, guys. I appreciate the support. And even right now, I'm getting ready to end this video. I'm getting ready to do McDougal, the YouTube video. So, you know, it's if you want to see more of Detroit in the future, please subscribe. And I'm gonna get going. I appreciate the support. Take care.